Welcome to another episode of Tips from the Swamp by Absolute Control Irrigation Specialist. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to package up your repairs and send them to us at Absolute Control so that we can take care of them for you. The first thing you need to do is decide what you need to send. In this particular case and demonstration, I have two Rainbird OSMs, a Rainbird 2-wire communication module, a Rainbird power interconnect or PIB, and an output board. Now, first thing we need to do is determine an appropriate size box, which I have here. Now we need to package the parts so they are protected and won't be damaged during the shipment. In the case of the two OSMs, I can take a piece of bubble wrap. I will set one OSM on the bubble wrap and start to roll it. Place the second OSM on top of that, and now I just roll them so that they are encased in the bubble wrap and protected for the shipment. So this is what we have, and that will set into the box. The next thing I'm going to wrap is the power interconnect. And for the power interconnect, I'll use a little bit smaller piece of bubble wrap. And again, we roll it so the bubble wrap is on it. We place it into the box so that it's secure but padded. The next item I'm going to package is the output board. Now the output boards being a little bit heavier, you want to be concerned with getting enough padding on them, so I'll use a double length bubble wrap, and I will wrap the output board in that bubble wrap, and we'll stick that into the box. And the final item is the 2-wire communication module, which again I will wrap in bubble wrap so it's protected and place it into the box. As you see, everything here is wrapped in bubble wrap and protected, just in case the box gets thrown around, none of it moves around and gets damaged by other parts. The next thing is using more packing material and filling the box vacant space, if there is any. Now that that's done, we just close the box and tape it. Now we have a closed box, product padded inside, safe for shipment. And if you had previously contacted us, or at this point contacted us with the contact information on our website, www.absolute-control.com, and provided us with what you are sending, or the actual weight of the package you are sending, because if we know what you are sending, we can estimate that weight, and we have your email address, we can email you a FedEx label, such as this. Now, all you have to do is take the FedEx label, tape it onto the box, and now we have a package that is ready to be shipped. The only step you have left is to take it to a FedEx drop-off point, such as a FedEx store, FedEx drop-off container, or if there's a place where FedEx picks up from your location so that they can acquire it, they'll bring it directly to us and we will repair it and send it back to you with the appropriate invoicing, and you'll have working product. Contact information is on our website, absolute-control.com. Thank you. Have a good day. If you find this has been helpful, please like it. If you think we have other things that are helpful for you, please subscribe to us and you will get to see all of the video information packages that we put out. Thank you and goodbye.